is original kitchen beauty. Beauty in your kitchen. Don't mind me. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shoma. In this channel, I talk about everything skincare. I do mostly DIY self-care. Today we are going to try out a face mask by a popular creator on this YouTube called Deborah. You know, I love doing natural things. Just sit tight and watch me do this face mask. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please also come back to watch my videos. In today's video, we're going to do a simple face mask. As you can see, my face is raw and natural. I did not apply anything because I want to make this face mask for you people. We're going to make this face mask with 4 ingredients, which is rice flour, honey, baking soda, and a pinch of turmeric. All these things I mentioned here can be found in your kitchen. As you can see, I'm in my own kitchen. Don't mind me. All these things can be found in your kitchen. It's something you can buy and keep in your kitchen. Beauty that's supposed to cost you a fortune. Just sit tight and relax and watch this video. The first thing you need is to bring your bowl. Get a simple bowl like this for your face mask. I bought this one from Jumia. You can check on my link and order for yourself. So the first ingredients we are going to use is rice flour. Rice is a very nice ingredient. Asians and Koreans use it a lot in their beauty products. Rice helps in clearing your dull skin. If you are the type that have dull skin, rice is very good in clearing that. It can also help with blemishes, uneven toned skin, and it can also boost your collagen. So get a measuring spoon like this. Get your rice flour. This is my rice flour. I blended it with my blender. Just get a rice, wash it, dry it under the sun, and blend it with your dry blender. Get your spoon and get 1 teaspoon of rice. You put it in your plate. Don't mind me. The ingredients we're going to use is baking soda. Baking soda is a wonder product. You can use it in so many things. But in this combination, we're going to use it as an exfoliator. That is what is going to work on this mask. We are going to do mask stroke scrub. So you get a baking soda. Look at the type I'm using. Get this type. You sell in the baking shop. Those people that sell baking things, that is where you get it. Get the smallest of your measuring spoon and get one of it. Look at it. You add it also. This is my white turmeric. I bought the turmeric seeds dry and blend. This is unadulterated turmeric. Just get a little like this. Turmeric can stain, so that's why it is advisable to only put a little of it. So you add it to what? To the mixture like this. The next ingredients we're going to add is honey. Honey is a good moisturizer and hydration. So get yourself a natural honey. Look around you, find some people selling honey. You get the biggest of your spoon and look at it, it's filled up. Look at our mixture. You add it together. A spatula or spoon and mix it together. Mix it so well. Look at it. Mix it so well. And apply on a washed face. Always apply your mask on a washed face. I wash my face. You're going to leave it here to dry for this is original kitchen beauty. Beauty in your kitchen. Don't mind me. After this, your face will be so smooth. People will be asking you, what do you rub on your face? Why is your face like this? Why is your face like this? They don't know the secret until you tell them. forget your neck. Any beauty product you're applying on your face, always extend it to your neck. So we are going to leave it for 15 or 20 minutes. I'll be back later to show you the final result. Just don't go anywhere. Hello guys, I am back. I have washed it off after carrying it for 20 minutes. Apply my serum and face cream. As you can see, my face is glowing. This mask is very good for you because as you're getting older, your collagen will break down. So with this natural face mask, you will have a healthy collagen and to help you have a youthful look. Keep on trying, keep on doing this type of mask, natural and organic, in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.